of Masjid al-Aqsa and the old city. Look to the stones down. Look the big block stones. This is work Sayyidina Sulaiman with the jinn before 4,000 years. And upstairs, the smallest stones, it's time of Salah ad-Din and Mamluki also, before 1,200 years.
Mamluki दौर जो था.
And if you see the window, the green window there, is the room where Sitna Maryam, she is living.
Hazrat Maryam.
When the Wahi came to him and they sent him about the baby من روح القدس. And also كلما دخل عليها زكريا المحراب وجد عندها رزقا in this room.
बेमौसम फल आते थे उनके यहाँ.
Okay, this is our Qabristan and this is Valley of Jahannam.
वाली हो जम.
Okay, and now look here.
चले.
Look behind.
इधर.
You see down, brother. Look to my finger.
फिंगर देखें उसकी.
You see down the big cover in the steps.
अच्छा वो जो बीच में हज़रत सुलेमान अलैहिस्सलाम की कब्र है सामने, ये सामने, वो नीचे, वो छोटी, नीचे जाने देंगे नहीं, हाँ
We have Sayyidina Zakaria.